In the previous video, we were showing you the difference between an absolute cell reference and a relative cell reference. As you can see, by using a relative cell reference, we have gotten our formulas correct, but yet the product or the result that we're after is incorrect. The reason being is if you notice that the formula bar, as we venture down through our series of numbers, you'll notice that B6, which we were referencing, is correct, but we're multiplying, in this example, by cell A5. Notice there is nothing in cell A5. It's empty. Therefore, any number multiplied by 0, of course, yields 0. So how can we eliminate this problem? Now, in some cases, I've seen some very creative workarounds. For example, we can take the number 2 and place them through our spreadsheet. And as you can see, the numbers then are correct. However, it would be very inefficient and really, quite frankly, very ugly. So, this is where enter the absolute cell reference. For example, we will keep B2 multiplied by cell A1. But the syntax for an absolute cell reference in Excel is a $ before the column and before the row reference. On a PC, you can tap your F4 key to automatically generate the $ between the column and the row. If you're using a Mac, Apple T will accomplish the same thing. If I hit the return key, you'll notice that the result is the same. 2 times 2 does indeed equal 4. However, now when I grab the fill handle and drag, my series has been correctly updated. The reason being is, as we moved in the relative direction downward, the cell references that did not have a $ between the column and the row, for example, our column B, the numbers changed accordingly. However, as you notice, cell A1 always stays the same. We're always referencing the value in cell A1. Therefore, we say that is an absolute cell reference. It does not change relative to any direction that we are dragging. Why is this important or advantageous? Well, let's suppose that your boss came and said, well, we're no longer multiplying numbers by 2, but 4.67. The moment we do, the numbers have been correctly changed. Think of an absolute cell reference as a variable that can change. By using absolute cell references, you're able to create and manipulate data in a much more powerful way in Excel.